So we're gonna dock in Bohol already. That's the port. That sailboat's gonna go to. By the way, we are in the captain's deck, I think. So,
Nearly there.
yeah, we're nearly there. Nice cap, lo.
2.6.
Yeah, we've already turned off the engine. Where do you think will we tie our ship? Jai,
Huh?
where do you think will we tie our ship?
When we are
Tie the ship.
I don't know.
Kasi no.
What?
The other ship. Jay, I'm taking a video. So don't, my hand. What?
Take a look at that ship in front of us.
Oh.
So amazing. It's like a big bus.
Yeah, it looks like a big bus.
It floats on water.
Yeah, but it's a ship, not a bus.
Yeah, but I said it just looks like a big bus on water.
Speaking of, I don't know. Do you know how to speak
No.
Boholan?
Do you?
It's called Boholan. I'm not sure. No, I don't. So, how are we gonna survive?
You mean communicate?
Yeah. How are we gonna communicate?
Well, Papa's already been here, right?
Yeah, but I doubt he knows
How did you ever
language.
communicate to them?
So, we'll speak in Tagalog or in English?
We may be good din with Tagalog. Because after all, that's our country's, yan talaga yung pinaka-uso na language in the country.
Kasi, bakit man siya uso?
National?
Yeah.
Turunarin uno ng mas pamor, may kasi meron pa. Labay na na.
Now, we're gonna bangga!
Kaya, asarin uno. Try lubid, maibig ng lubid sa. Abot na. Bukti na yung kayo, Lukti.
We're
Anay mo nga. Anay.
We're finally here.
Sir, ayaw ka na yung lubid, sir. Sir, lubid mo.